Welcome back to the class. Let us continue the chapter, the fundamental unit of life in biology, that is chapter 5. We have been studying different organelles, that is different components present in a cell. Now let us discuss about the important organelle, that is nucleus, which is present at the center of the cell. The nucleus is covered by a double layered membrane called nuclear membrane. There are number of holes, that is pores, on this nuclear membrane, which helps to transport nucleic acids like DNA, RNA molecules which are present in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the region of the cell which is surrounded by nucleus. This DNA, RNA, and the protein molecules which are present in the cytoplasm, which enter into the nucleus through these pores of the nuclear membrane. Inside every nucleus, there is a chromatin material. This chromatin is nothing but it is made up of DNA molecules and proteins like histone. The full form of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. Its function is to carry genetic information or hereditary materials from parent to offspring. During cell division, this thread-like structure chromatin changes to form complex structure, that is rod-shaped or ribbon-like structure chromosomes. In every cell, there are 23 pairs of chromosomes. These chromosomes are present inside the nucleus. Nucleus plays an important role in cellular reproduction. What is cellular reproduction? It is a process in which a cell divides to form many number of daughter cells. We can say this process as mitosis. Nucleus is considered to be the brain of the cell because it controls the activity and growth of the cell. It is an unicellular organism, that is bacteria, which has no nuclear membrane. These genetic materials are not surrounded by membrane. So this organism is called prokaryotic. Prokaryotes. What is pro? Pro meaning primitive or primary. Karyot means kernel or center or nucleus. What is a nucleoid? It is an area or part of an prokaryotic cell in which genetic materials are not surrounded by nuclear membrane. It is a prokaryotic cell and it is an eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell is unicellular, eukaryotic may be uni or multicellular organism. Many parts or many organelles are absent in prokaryotic cell like endoplasmic reticulum, nucleolus and nuclear membrane, etc. Some of the prokaryotic organisms like blue-green algae, they perform photosynthesis with the help of bag-like structure called membranous vessels. They don't do photosynthesis with the help of plastid. Plastid is one of the organelles which is present inside the cell. Not in prokaryotic cell, it is present in eukaryotic cell like plant cell. Prokaryotic cell has poorly organized parts of the cytoplasm. Many organelles are missing inside the cell. Now let us see what is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a fluid contents which is present inside the cellular membrane and outside the nuclear membrane. In between the cellular membrane and nuclear membrane, this fluid content along with the organelles are present. This is called cytoplasm. Each organelle is enclosed by membrane, but in prokaryotes, these membrane bounded cell organelles are absent. Viruses also lack these membrane bound organelles, so they cannot replicate or they cannot reproduce by themselves. When they live in host or when these viruses live on other organism, they act as a living thing and they are able to reproduce themselves.